as promised, I am going to try making, I believe it's Elsa's Wholesome Life, made from scratch, vegan egg. And I'm a bit nervous to see what happens, but I'm gonna trust the process. So the first thing that we're gonna mix together is the stuff that makes up the yolk. Let me tell you what's in it. We have some corn flour. I'll just put that right in here. We have some nutritional yeast. We have the black salt, which is very, very important when you're making a vegan scramble because it gives it that eggy taste, the sulfur taste. Black pepper and a pinch of salt is also in this little dish. So we will put that in the blender. Okay, so this is where I differed from the recipe just a little bit. It calls for 2 tablespoons of oil, just a neutral oil, or olive oil, whatever oil. I'm actually going to use aquafaba because we're trying to stay away from oil, obviously, as you know, since you haven't heard us say that at all. Anyway, here's this. I'm going to put that in the blender. I have some water. Oh, that mixture is smelling eggy. Okay, and then the other big part of the yolk is this pureed pumpkin. Now in the video, she gets an actual like pumpkin and cuts it and peels it and boils it and then mashes it. I don't have a pumpkin, so I'm just gonna use straight pure pumpkin puree, and we're gonna see how it goes. It seriously smells so much like eggs in this blender dish. I'll just tap that in there. Obviously, I need to scoop it out just a little bit. All right, and now we will blend this up and see what happens. All right, so we had a little bit of a mishap. The other blender jar was too big, and so I had to switch to this one real quick, but I'm sure this one will be just fine. Much better. All right, so here we have our yolk mixture. I did add a little bit of coconut milk to this because I just didn't feel like it was the right consistency yet. And I feel like it might be now. So let's go ahead and get the whites mixed up into this bowl. We'll just whisk it all together. This is cashew cream. That doesn't belong there. I had to hurry and empty the smaller blender jar so I could do this. So what's a cooking episode without a little bit of mess, right? And a little bit of mishap. So let's do that. All right, for the whites part of the recipe, we have coconut milk, water, rice flour, right here, and a pinch of salt. So we're just gonna whisk these ingredients together in this bowl right here. Just like this. It looks like we might need a little bit of water because it's a little bit chunkier than we may have thought it would be, and that's okay. All right, so this is my first go. We have the pan sufficiently heated, and it is a non-stick pan, so I'm not gonna put oil in it. I am so curious as to what is gonna happen with this. I'm nervous too though, because I just want it to work out, but you never know with these kinds of things, you know? So let's see what happens. Here I have the white mixture, right? So she says to put 2 tablespoons of this onto the pan. Here we go. 1, 2, Okay, and then you're supposed to cover it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you lift it up, and then you put a tablespoon of this. Well, you know what? That looks like a little small egg white thing, so I'm just gonna do this much. And then you're supposed to just plop it in the middle. Having my doubts on this, guys. I hope I'm wrong. And then you're supposed to put it back for 30 seconds. I'm not gonna count to 30. We'll just act like it's gonna be 30 seconds. All right, it's been 30 seconds. I don't know. I'm questioning this. I wonder what would happen if that just doesn't seem cooked enough. Maybe I'd give it a little bit more time. What do you think would happen if I flipped it over? Don't do it? We're gonna give it just a titch more time, okay? I mean, it looks like the perfect cartoon colored egg, like it's perfectly white and perfectly like yellowy orange, so that's kind of interesting.
I think it's not actually, the center isn't supposed to do anything other than be there, like.
It's just supposed to look like an egg?
Like that's what it looks like.
Okay, we're gonna try something though. I'm gonna try to flip it.
I wouldn't.
I'm gonna try, and if it doesn't work out, then guess what? We're just gonna not do the second time, okay? You ready? We'll see what happens. We'll just give it a second to cook.
6 hours later.
What is she talking about? Oh, okay. So okay, so that's our first whack at it. I don't know, guys. Okay, so lesson learned, do not flip it over. I mean, it might still taste good. What do you think, Skylar?
So, my guess is that it's just for look. Like, you're supposed to put it on there, and it's gonna be there for look, because the flavor is just there already.
Here's round 2, Skylar. Round 2. Why don't we do 2 in this one? 1, 2. 1. Oh, I lost it a little. I lost control.
You know, that happens in real life.
That's true. Okay, 10 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds. Here we go. Here's yolk, dough. Crap, it's a little crooked. You know what? That happens in real life too. We're just gonna. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, so the spoon works better. My little gadget did not work as good as I wanted. Okay. That's okay. That's okay. We're just gonna do this. Ah!
Are we gonna try it on toast?
Yeah, we're gonna try it on toast.
Alright.
Okay.
I'll cut some.
Okay. There we go. That might be a little too big. Oh, we're supposed to put the lid on. Can't forget. Here's round 2, guys. I think we have one more round in our arsenal. So you think that the yolk taste is there?
I mean, it doesn't taste like real egg whatsoever that I can remember.
Well, that's not a good sign.
Well, I mean, this tastes like coconut.
Well, this tastes like coconut, but what about this?
This tastes...
I'm talking this, the yellow part.
It doesn't taste like yolk to me. It tastes like whatever the ingredients are.
Okay,
but
we're gonna.
you know what?
I want to put some mashed avocado on there though, underneath the egg.
Fine.
Okay.
But I think it's more for appearance. Because when we did
It's cool to look like it is.
when we did that tofu scramble, that had a very egg taste. But I can't remember what ingredient was.
But it had the egg taste. It has the same ingredients as the yolk in this. It has the black salt.
But it didn't have coconut.
No, we didn't have egg whites for it though. This
No.
is supposed to be like egg white.
So I don't know.
They can't. Our viewers can't see that. Look.
I mean, obviously.
Oh. Ew, right there.
I mean, obviously, I had eggs.
I don't want to taste this for the first time until we do it on the toast.
I had eggs like 9 months ago, like 3, 4.
That's true. I haven't had eggs in years and years and years. Do you think it's been 30 seconds?
Yeah.
Okay. So we have.
It's gonna be burnt from the bottom though.
Is it though?
Yeah. Yeah, not bad.
I just wish. Oh, I just had an idea, but probably not a good idea. Oh, actually, it might work. Okay. For our final round of making vegan egg, what I'm gonna do is turn the heat down just a tiny bit. I am going to. I got a good idea. Skylar, are you ready for this?
Yep.
I'm gonna put the initial down, right? This is gonna be like a little mini one. I'm gonna put the yolk in the middle. Oh, not yet. Oh shoot. Gotta let it sit for 10 seconds, right? Okay. This might be a good thing. This might be a good idea.
You're gonna encapsulate.
I'm gonna encapsulate, guys.
Encapsulate it.
I'm gonna encapsulate it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. And okay, now we're gonna take our yolk, right? Here's the yolk. Gonna put it in the middle. And this is a little bit smaller, so you don't have to go too crazy. Right? So there's our yolk, correct? And then I'm gonna pour this, rest of this on top of it to see what happens. Okay, so now that's kind of like that. We're gonna let that cook for a second. It might be a little weird looking. And then I'm gonna flip it to see what happens. I don't know if it'll work though. Maybe. Do you think that if we tried to cook that eggy stuff, the yolk, in the pan, do you think it would cook? You think it would just be like, it would just burn? Very interesting. I still have yet to master tofu scramble.
But it's not like we
don't like want it all the time though.
or ever. We've done it once.
But the reason why is because we made the bacon earlier and I was like, oh, this might be fun to do. Okay, so now we're gonna try flipping it. Okay, we're gonna take this, flip it. I mean, honestly though, if you look at this, this looks like an egg in there. That looks like an egg.
Yeah.
That yolk might cook. Maybe we'll, since we have so much of that left, maybe we'll just throw it in there for kicks. I don't know. Maybe we do this.
Do you want red hot?
Yes. If you guys didn't know this, Red Hot, the sauce, Frank's Red Hot, it is vegan and it's pretty fantastic.
We pretty much put it on everything.
Okay, are we ready to see the final? This is the final countdown. We'll just scoot these little bad boys over. Okay. Oh, Skylar, it might cook. We're gonna do this one like this. So there. Okay, now for the extra bonus round, I'm just gonna put this in there. Why not? Let's see what happens. It falls into the pan, it's kind of gross. Like, I want mine to be the, well, I don't know. Okay, we're gonna put the lid on and let that cook for a second. I kind of did lopsided, oopsie doops. Okay, we have our two.
Mine's spread.
He spread his.
So we have the homemade toast or homemade bread, which we toasted with avocado and some Frank's red sauce, pepper, egg, pepper.
Okay, we ready?
Yeah.
Well, we probably can't really tell until we like. Well, you will. Okay, ready, go. Well, it's good because the stuff on it is good. I'm curious, as, when I get to this point. I'm still getting an eggy vibe though, even with the white. Maybe my mind is playing tricks on me. What do you think? Okay, here we go. First bite of the yellow part. Okay. I don't know.
I mean, I don't know that I would go out of my way to make this as a snack, personally.
Yeah.
Doesn't really do anything for me.
I can't tell if it's doing anything for me yet either. I had such high hopes though, guys. Of it being like a fun thing, you know?
Like if I was at someone's house, they're like, hey, I made this, do you want to try it? I would eat it.
I'm actually enjoying the white part more than the yellow.
But if they said, hey, do you want another one? I'd be like, I'm good.
Okay.
I'd probably just have the toast with avocado.
Alright. Well, we're gonna check on the other part. Okay. We're gonna check on the other part, guys. It could totally be a disaster, but the only way to know is by testing it, right? I don't know. Tofu scramble might be the better option, guys. If I'm honest. This is just a freaking mess. Look at it. Alright. That's enough of that. Okay, so obviously it doesn't always work out, but at least we're trying. Skylar and I love doing reviews on recipes. And I'm sorry to say, but I would rate this maybe a 6 out of 10. 5 maybe, actually, now that I think about it more. So, on to the next recipe, I guess. If you like videos like this, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the Bonus Bunch, of course. Why are you laughing? Are you laughing at my attempt at the scrambled yolk?
I just saw what's in that pan.
He's laughing at me.
I think a lot of the vegan things like this, it's really just for show.
Probably.
Because there are easier ways of doing like a tofu scramble that actually tastes like egg.
Probably.
And so this is more
It's been fun though. It's fine. It's been fun.
It was an experiment.
But yeah, don't forget to subscribe. We love you. Bye.